Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an artifact right here in Claude AI. And if you want to do this, the first step that you need to do is go right here to your account, settings, and then go to capabilities. And then right here, we scroll down where you will find right here, artifacts. Make sure that you enable this one. Most of the time, he's automatically enable that option on your account. But if you go right here on the left to artifacts, we can create right here an artifact by ourselves. So we select right here new artifact, select in which category you want to use. So let's do, for example, productivity tools. Then he is creating nice prompts right here that you can use with using that option. So right now, if you can see right here, he is asking what kind of productivity tool did you have in mind? Now I want a task manager, then just for me. And now he is creating that for us. Then we tell him due dates and priorities. That is fine. Then he go further with this. And then he is telling us personal task manager plan. Task list with the ability to add, complete and delete new tasks. Does this look good to you, or would you like to tweak anything before I build it? No, it looks amazing. And then now he will build my task plan. So we will give him a few seconds. And then here on the right is the coding right now. So he is doing that for us. That's very awesome on the Claude AI software right here. So there we are. And now he is telling us, here is your personal task manager. Here's what you can do with it. And then he's telling us exactly what we can do right here. And now here on the right, you see our task manager. Now we can copy everything right here and download it as a TSX file, or we can just publish it to where we want. So publish and copy link. And then right now, if you can see, we can add a new task right here. So recording videos, boom, there we are. And then we do enter, and then we can throw it where we want it. So now this is now our task list, and now we are having here things that we need to do. And then we also can give them important level. So when it's important, we do high, and when it's not important or maybe less important, we do low right here, and we can put a date right here. And then right now, if we close this and go to a new chat and we go to artifacts right here, you see that he is saving our personal task manager right here in our artifacts. So right now, if you can see right here, we created ourselves an artifact, and this is in a nutshell how you can do this. Seriously, Claude AI is amazing. Play with all those options, but this is in a nutshell the basics that you need to know. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.